MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides reliable furnace igniter repair in Pottstown, PA, helping restore dependable heating when your furnace fails to start properly. A faulty igniter is one of the most common causes of furnace problems and can prevent your system from producing heat. Our experienced technicians quickly diagnose igniter issues and perform professional repairs or replacements using quality components. We service all major furnace brands and ensure your heating system operates safely and efficiently. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for expert furnace igniter repair in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy consistent warmth and comfort throughout the cold winter season. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a furnace igniter repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides furnace igniter repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional furnace igniter repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses experiencing heating system startup problems. What does a furnace igniter do? A furnace igniter is responsible for lighting the gas burners inside your furnace and starting the heating process. What is your furnace igniter repair in Pottstown, PA? Our furnace igniter repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.